Want to make money online but don't know where to start? In my last video, I showed you the top 10 skills you can learn in 2025 to earn money from home, even as a beginner. Now, let's take the next step. I'm going to show you the best online marketplaces where you can sell those skills and start earning right away. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale up, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, we've got some of the most popular freelance marketplaces where millions of clients are looking for talented freelancers just like you. Number 1 is Fiverr, a platform that made freelancing accessible for anyone. It's super beginner-friendly. All you need to do is set up a profile, create gigs showcasing your skills, and start receiving orders. From video animation to digital marketing, Fiverr covers almost every field. The best part? You get to set your own pricing. Next is Upwork. This platform is known for higher-paying projects. While it can be more competitive, it's also where you'll find long-term clients and bigger contracts. If you're looking for freelance jobs in writing, marketing, or tech, Upwork's a great place to start. If you're looking for an alternative to Fiverr, check out Kwork. It's a growing platform that's gaining popularity, especially for those offering creative services. Think of it like Fiverr, but with a different pricing structure and a slightly different audience. Then we have Legiit. It's a marketplace specifically focused on creative services like branding, animation, and digital marketing. It's a smaller community, but the demand for high-quality work is there, and it's great for anyone in the creative industry. Another well-known platform is Freelancer.com. Similar to Upwork, it's a great place for more diverse types of freelance work. From writing to coding and even design, you'll find a wide variety of projects to bid on. Now, for those of you who are really looking to up your game, Toptal is for you. It's an exclusive network for top-tier freelancers in fields like software development, design, and finance. Getting in is tough, but if you've got the skills, you can earn big money here. Guru is a bit of a hidden gem. It offers flexible pricing and work agreements, and it's great for freelancers looking to build long-term client relationships. Plus, it has a cool feature where you can set up a profile portfolio and offer your services directly. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely focuses on remote job listings, with positions in everything from marketing to development. If you're looking for a full-time remote job rather than freelance gigs, this is a great place to start. Another job search engine is Simply Hired. It aggregates freelance, part-time, and full-time opportunities across different industries. You can find a variety of gigs, including remote work. Finally, Hubstaff Talent is a free resource for companies to find remote talent. If you're a developer, designer, or marketing expert, this platform connects you with businesses looking to hire talent on a project or full-time basis. Now, let's move on to niche-specific marketplaces. These platforms are perfect for certain types of services and are tailored to your skills. 99 Designs is all about design. If you're a graphic designer, this is the place to be. Whether it's logo design, website graphics, or branding, you'll find clients looking for high-quality, creative work. You can either compete in design contests or be hired directly. For voiceover artists, Voice123 and Voices.com are the go-to platforms. These sites focus entirely on voice work for projects like explainer videos, audiobooks, commercials, and more. With just a decent microphone and a quiet space, you can start landing gigs here. Another platform for designers is Design Crowd. Like 99 Designs, it lets you submit design concepts and work with clients on a variety of projects. If you love the idea of competing for design work, this platform can be a great way to get your foot in the door. People per hour is another solid option for freelancers who want to offer hourly or project-based services. It's great for those of you who want to land quick gigs or part-time. For musicians and audio creators, Song Trader is an online marketplace where you can sell your music or voice work. You can license tracks to filmmakers, game developers, and content creators looking for high-quality sound. Envato Studio is for creative professionals, including designers, developers, animators, and video editors. If you're offering creative services, you'll find a variety of clients looking for custom projects. Finally, consider selling your skills directly from your own website. Platforms like Wix, WordPress, or Shopify allow you to build a personal portfolio or store and connect with clients directly. This gives you full control over your brand, pricing, and how you manage projects. While it takes more effort to build traffic, having your own site can set you apart and help you scale your freelance business. Now that you know where to sell your skills, let's talk about how to succeed on these platforms. Create a standout profile that clearly showcases your skills and past work. Whether you're a graphic designer, animator, or web developer, your profile should highlight your expertise. Engage with clients and make sure to offer value. The more you connect with potential clients and show how you can solve their problems, the more likely you are to get hired. Start with smaller jobs or projects to build a strong reputation. As you get positive reviews, you can begin increasing your rates and attracting bigger clients. Now that you know where to sell your skills, it's time to take action. Choose one platform, create a killer profile, and start landing gigs. In my next video, I'll share tips for creating an irresistible profile that will help you land your first clients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Until next time, keep growing and keep earning.